Hi children, Namaste. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Okay children, today's subject English. Today's subject English. Today's subject English. Today we are going to learn about book reading and writing practice. Okay, first shall we go to motivation. After go to lesson. Okay, clap your hands all of you. Clap. First shall we go to rhymes. One rhymes all of you say. Okay, clap your hands all of you. Clap. Okay, clap. Okay, shall we go to rhymes? Okay, I hear thunder, oh don't you, pitter, raindrops, I wet through. Very good, clap your hands. Again, one time all of you say the rhymes, okay, I hear thunder, oh don't you, pitter, raindrops, I wet through. Very good. Clap your hands, all of you. Clap. Very good, Next, shall we go to real object conversation. Okay, real object conversation. Okay, children. Can you see the banana? Yes, very good. நீங்க எல்லாரும் banana-வை பார்த்திருப்பீங்க. ஓகேவா banana means வாழைப்பழம். இத வச்சு நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம்? ரியல் ஆப்ஜெக்ட் வச்சு small conversation நம்ம பண்ண போறோம். ஓகேவா next first is it a vegetable? இது வெஜிடபிளா? No. It is a vegetable? No, it is not. இது வெஜிடபிள் கிடையாது. It is not. Is it a vegetable? No, it is not. It is not. It is a bird. இது பேர்டா? இது பறவையா? No, it is not. No, it is not. No, it is not. Then what is this? This is a banana. 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 This is a banana. Okay, is it a blue color? Is it a blue color? No, it is not. Is it a blue color? No, it is not. Is it a black color? Is it a black color? No, it is not. No, it is not. It is a yellow color. It is a yellow. What is the color? It is a yellow. What is the color? It is a yellow. Do you like the banana? உங்களுக்கு banana பிடிக்குங்களா? Do you like the banana? Yes. Do you like the banana? Yes. எல்லாரும் நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? விரும்பி banana-வை சாப்பிடுமா இல்லையா? Yes. Do you like the banana? Yes, I like a banana. Again, sometimes you say the conversation. Go. Can you see the banana? Yes, can you see the banana? நீங்க banana-வை பார்த்திருக்கீங்களா? வாழைப்பழத்தை பார்த்திருக்கீங்களா? எல்லாரும் நம்ம வாழைப்பழத்தை பார்த்திருப்போம். It is a vegetable? இது வெஜிடபிளா? No, it is not. It is a no. No, it is not. Vegetable கிடையாது. இது என்னது? What is it? Is a vegetable? No. It is a fruits. It is a fruits. It is a bird. Is it bird-ஆ? No, it is not. Then what is this? This is a banana. What is this? This is a banana. What is this? This is a banana. Is it a blue color? No, it is not. It is a blue color? No, it is not. Is it a blue color? No, it is not. It is not. What is the color of banana? It is a yellow color. Do you like the banana? Yes or no? Do you like banana? Yes, I like a banana. Do you like a banana? Yes, I like a banana. Very good, Kanne. Clap your hands, all of you. What is this? What is this? This is a banana. What is this? This is a banana. What is the color of banana? It is a yellow. It is a yellow. It is a yellow. What is the color of banana? It is a yellow. What is the color of banana? It is a yellow. Very good. Clap your hands, all of you. Clap. Next, shall we go to reading practice. Next, shall we go to reading practice. All of you look at the blackboard. First of all, read the alphabet. After go to book reading. Okay, first how many letters in alphabet? 26. 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 Very good. All of you say in first of all capital letter, after go to small letter. Okay, first say, all of you say the capital letter A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. This is capital letter. This is capital letter. Again, shall we say one times? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, this is capital letter. Next, shall we go to small letter? Shall we go to small letter? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, this is small letter. This is small letter. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, shall we go to phonic sound? First, next phonic sound. A say A, B say B, C say G, D say D, E say A, F say if, G say G, H say H, I say E, J say J, J say J, K say G, L say L, M say M, N say M, O say A, P say P, Q say Q, R say R, S say S, T say T, T, U say A, umbrella, V say W say W, X say X, Y say A, Z say zebra, Z say zebra. Okay. Okay, Vakane, very good. Clap your hands, all of you. Next, shall we go to book reading? All of take your book. First page இருந்து last page மட்டும் நம்ம book read பண்ண போறோம். Okay, Vakane, all of take your book. Revision that, look at and say. First, capital A for apple. Look at say. A for apple. B for ball. A for apple. A-P-P-L-E, apple. B for ball. B-A-L-L, ball. C for clock. C-L-O-C-K, clock. D for dog. D-O-G, dog. E for egg. E-G-G, egg. F for fan. F-A-N, fan. G for goat. G-O-A-T, goat. H for hen. H-E-N, hen. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. I-C-E-C-R-E-A-M, ice cream. J for jackfruit. J for jackfruit. J-A-C-K, jackfruit. F for U-I-T, jackfruot. K for kite. K-I-T-E, kite. L for leaf. L-E-A-F, leaf. M for monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. M for monkey. N for nest. N-E-S-T, nest. O for orange. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. P for pumpkin. P-U-M-P-K-I-N, pumpkin. Q for quill. Q-U-A-I-L, quill. R for rainbow. R-A-I-N, rain. B-O-W, rainbow. R for rainbow. S for snail. S-N-A-I-L, snail. T for tap. T-A-P, tap. U for umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, U for umbrella. V for van. V-A-N, van. W for watermelon. W-A-T-E-R, watermelon. M-E-L-O-N, watermelon. X for xylophone. X-Y-L-O, xylophone. B-H-O-N-E, xylophone. Y for yoke. Y-O-K-U, yoke. Z for zebra. Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. Okay, next shall we sight words. A-M-M, sight words. A-M-M. T-H-I-S, this. D-O-2-A-N-N. T-H-A-T, that. T-H-E-D, A-N-D, and. T-H-E-S-E, these. I-F, if. I-it, it. I-T, it. I-T, it. Those. T-H-O-S-E, those. N-E-A-R, near. I-N, in. H-E, he. U-N-D-E-R, under. W-E-V. S-H-E, she. W-A-S, was. G-O, go. M-E, me. W-E-R-E, where. N-O, no. M-Y, my. B-E-T, between. W-E-E-N, between. A-T, at. P-Y, by. C-A-N, can. D-O, do. B-E-B, van. W-H-E-N, van. Next, a and bird. A ball. A cat. A dog. A fan. A toy. A bat. A chuck. A van. A bus. A rose. A fox. A box. Next, an apple. An egg. An iron. An orange. An umbrella. Next page. Singular, plural. Singular, plural. Cat, cats. Ball, balls. Car, cars. Mango, mangoes. Rose, roses. Next, what is this? What is this? None picture names. What is this? This is an apple. What is this? What is this? This is an apple. What is this? This is a butterfly. What is this? This is a butterfly. What is this? This is a cow. What is this? This is a cow. What is this? This is a duck. What is this? This is a duck. What is this? This is an elephant. This is an elephant. What is this? This is a. What is this? What is this? This is an elephant. What is this? This is a globe. What is this? This is a globe. Next page. What are these? Next. What are these? What are these? These are apples. What are these? These are apples. What are these? These are buses. What are these? These are orange. What are these? These are rats. What are these? These are balls. What are these? These are mugs. These are mugs. Next, my. I am a student. This is my school. I am a student. This is my school. Next, I am a driver. This is my van. I am a driver. This is my van. I am a doctor. I am a doctor. This is my clinic. I am a doctor. This is my clinic. I am a artist. This is my painting. I am a manager. This is my company. I am a manager. This is my company. I am a Sandeep. This is my father. Next, you, your. You are Bala. This is your cycle. You are my sister. This is your book. You are my brother. This is your bag. You are Ramesh. This is your bat. You are Rani. This is your doll. You are my sister. This is your ball. Next, pathina he, his. He, his. He is a boy. He is a boy. His name is Bharat. His name is Bharat. This is his cycle. Your name, இவர் வந்து boy. Your name வந்து Bharat. இவரோட cycle. He is a boy. His name is Bharat. This is his cycle. அவரோட cycle. அதே மாதிரி he is father. He is my father. He is a lawyer. His name is Arun. Next, he is Ram. He is a doctor. His coat is white. He is a postman. His name is Raja. He loves his son. He loves his son. He is Sendil. He is a player. He is a player. His shirt is blue. He is Vijay. He is a soldier. His uniform hockey. Next is she, her. She, her. She is my sister. She is a student. This is her pencil. This is her pencil. She is my auntie. She is a teacher. The books are in her hand. She is a Priya. She is a nurse. Her dress is white. She is a Raghavi. She is a girl. Her cycle is green. She is a Dharani. She is a chess player. Her coin is black. She is a Navya. She is a doctor. Her coat is white. Next, opposite words. Next, opposite words. Fast. Slow. Fast na வேகமா போறது. Slow na மெதுவா போறது. Fast. முயல் எப்படி போற? ஃபாஸ்டா ஓடாம எப்படி போகும்? ஸ்லோவா தான் போகும். அதான் ஃபாஸ்ட், ஸ்லோ. பிக். யானை எவ்வளவு பெருசா இருக்கு. பிக். ஸ்மால். எலி எப்படி இருக்கு? சின்னதா இருக்கு. யானை பெருசா இருக்கு. அதான் பிக், ஸ்மால். ஃபுல், எம்டி. டால், ஷார்ட். ஃபேட், ஸ்லிம். hot, cold, old, young, happy, sad, inside, outside, up, down, open, close, sit, stand. Again one time all of you say fast, slow, big, small, full, empty, tall, short, fat, slim, hot, cold, old, young, happy, sad, inside, outside, up, down, open, close, sit, stand. Okay, Vakane. Next, shall we go to writing practice? Shall we go to writing practice? Shall we go to writing practice? All of you say, all of you take your 4 lines note and pencil sharp and sharp the pencil. You write the first capital letter and small letter. After write the D words. Okay, Vakana. First, நீங்க என்ன பண்ணணும்? Capital letter, small letter you write. After you write D words. Okay? You write the capital letter and the small letter. After you write the D words. Okay? Where is the board? Take your note. Take your note, 4 lines note. Write the capital letter and the small letter. You write fast. Are you ready? Are you write the capital letter and small letter? You write. Are you write capital letter and small letter? Okay, children. You write the capital letter and the small letter. You write. After you write the D words. After that, you first capital letter, small letter. You write. After you write the D words. Okay, okay. First capital letter, small letter. எழுதிட்டு தான் நீங்க D words எழுதணும். Okay, children. You start D words. D dot words. W O R D S. D words. D W O R D S. D words. First one. Capital letter A P P L E. A P P L E. Apple. A P P L E. Apple. First word A P P L E. Apple. 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 Second one. B A L L. Ball. B A L L. B A L L. Ball. 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 Next one. Third one. Clock. C L O C K. 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 Clock. Next, fourth one. Egg. E G G. Egg. E G G. Egg. E G G. Egg. Next, fifth one. Goat. G O A T. 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 Goat. Next, sixth one. Fan. F A N. Fan. F A N. Fan. Sixth one. F A N. Fan. Seventh one. Nest. N E S T. Nest. N E S T. Nest. Next, eighth one. Leaf. L E second. L E A F. Leaf. L E A F. Leaf. L E A F. Leaf. Ninth one. Kite. K I T E. Kite. K I T E. Kite. Next, 10th one. Monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. Already say apple. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. Next one. B-A-L-L. Ball. Third one. C-L-O-C-K. Clock. Fourth one. E-G-G. Egg. E-G-G. Egg. Fifth one. Goat. G-O-A-T. Goat. Sixth one. F-A-N. Fan. F-A-N. Fan. Sixth one. F-A-N. Fan. Seventh one. Nest. N-E-S-T. Nest. N-E-S-T. Nest. Eighth one. L-E-A-F. Leaf. L-E-A-F. Leaf. Ninth one. Kite. K-I-T-E. Kite. K-I-T-E. Kite. K-I-T-E. Kite. Next, 10th one. Monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Are you right fast? 10 words. Next 11th word. Next 11th one. Next 11th one, orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Next one, rainbow. Next one, rainbow. R-A-I-N. Rainbow. B-O-W. Rainbow. R-A-I-N. Rain. B-O-W. Rainbow. Next 13. 13, cap. C-A-P. Cap. C-A-P. Cap. C-A-P. Cap. C-A-P. Cap. 14, nap. N-A-P. Nap. N-A-P. Nap. N-A-P. Nap. Next 15. N-A-P. Nap. Next map. M-A-P. Map. M-A-P. Map. N-A-P. Map. Next mix. 16. Mat. M-A-T. Mat. M-A-T. Mat. M-A-T. Mat. 17. Mix. M-I-X. Mix. M-I-X. Mix. 18. Six. S-I-X. Six. S-I-X. Six. S-I-X. Six. 19. Boy. B-O-Y. Boy. B-O-Y. Boy. Next 20. C-U-T. Cut. C-U-T. Cut. இதை நீங்கள் என்ன பண்ணணும், நோட்டில் 2 times எழுதணும். Again 1 time அலபிசே. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. Next one B-A-L-L. Ball. Third one C-L-O-C-K. Clock. Next one E-G-G. Egg. G-O-A-T. Goat. F-A-N. Fan. N-E-S-T. Nest. L-E-A-F. Leaf. K-I-T-E. Kite. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. O-R-A-O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Rainbow. R-A-I-N. Rain. B-O-W. Rainbow. C-A-P. Cap. N-A-P. Nap. M-A-P. Map. M-A-T. Mat. M-I-X. Mix. S-I-X. Six. B-O-Y. Boy. C-U-T. Cut. C-U-T. Cut. Okay, Kandu, இது 2 times you write. Okay, Kandu. Next, shall we go to workbook? Shall we go to workbook? Workbookல நீங்க ஆல்ரெடி finished தான் homework 32 finished. 32 வரையும் நீங்க finish பண்ணிருப்பீங்க. After 33 match the pictures with the first letter. Match the pictures with the first letter. First match the with the first letter. First picture, what the first letter? A. First letter A. A for apple. Next letter என்ன இருக்கு? C. C for cat. Match பண்ணுங்க. C ல இருந்து cat க்கு match பண்ணு. C for cat. Next letter என்ன இருக்கு? L. L for lock. L for lock. Next K இருக்கக்கன்னு K for kite. கீழ இருக்கு பாருங்க. Match the picture with the first letter. K for kite. Next B. B for ball. Next என்ன letter இருக்கு? V. V for van. V for van. Next letter H. H for hen. T for tap. M for mango. R for rose. R for rose. Okay, Vakane. Next you write the homework. You do the homework. next write in note என்ன எழுதணும் keywords two times keywords two times read book page number 8 to 21. Okay, wakanda homework. Write workbook page number 34 to 36. Next, write in keywords irukku adhe two times you write. And read book page number 8 to 21. Okay, wakanda நீங்க எழுதுறப்பவே என்ன பண்ணனும் சொல்லிக்கிட்டு தான் எழுதணும். அப்படியே எழுத கூடாது. எப்பவுமே நம்ம எழுதுறப்ப read and write நம்ம சொல்லி எழுதுனா தான் நமக்கு லெட்டர்ஸ்லாம் நல்லா ஐடென்டிஃபிகேஷன் ஆகும். Okay, wakanda. Okay, children. Dhanyavaji. Thank you. Bye.